Who knows what's this shape's called, the name? What's the name? Okay, trapezius. Now, we're trying to calculate now. We don't have like really straight angles, do we? No. And if I look here, I have this trapezium is a bit smaller than my protractor. And hence, I will have a struggle. I'll make it smaller as well. I will have a struggle maybe to read the angle by placing my. Okay, I'm choosing first what we need to know, what we need to do about this shape. Let's label it, okay? I need to calculate the angle DCB. Okay? DCB. So I need to use my contractor to calculate DCB. Now, what do we need to do first? You know it. What's the first step? Yes? Okay, my baseline will be CB. CB my baseline. Vertex on vertex. Okay, this is the end here. 0 on the baseline. Okay. Now, what problem do I have? What do you think, Tony?
You can't see the top bodies.
What I'm hiding here with my protractor? Even if your protractor is clear, but you still have lots of lines that might really cover the actual line. And in the actual paper, the line will be thin, as well as your protractor inside lines. So, what do you think? What's the problem solving for this problem? As having my protractor hiding the second line that I need to use to measure my angle. What do you think? How can I solve this problem? Okay. Jerome? Jerome?
You might just do up make the baseline DNC, maybe it's easier to see.
DNC, if I made my DNC baseline, what angle will I be measuring? I need to measure the angle C, DCB. If I use C and D as baseline, vertex on vertex.
How about if you make the baseline near the C, like you make the vertex?
This is the vertex point. Yeah, this is the vertex here. So I need to measure this line and this line together joint that makes this angle.
Jerome, how about you show Father what you mean? Get up and actually show Father what you meant by that.
Use that and it's easier to see because you have the image line there, kind of. And that might work.
As this way. Okay.
But what if it was smaller? What would happen?
If this one was just only as well as
Small.
smaller as.
Just get a smaller one.
That's not a solution.
I did the same. I covered the same this angle and this line. Yes. Just say it from your place and then.
So, to see the D, you can just like draw like an extra line.
Thank you.
Oh.
So extending like imaginary or like a virtual line. Okay, extending this line, for example, or if this line, whatever baseline you choose, that's fine. Okay, but if you cannot see the second line, you extend it with a virtual line, then you're at the top. Okay, I extended now C and D, then vertex on vertex, 0 on my baseline, and then it will be so. I'm starting to count from here. 0, 10, 20, 30. Correct me if I'm doing something wrong.
You're wrong.
40, 50, 60. So this is 60 degrees.
You're wrong. You're wrong.
Do you say that the teacher is wrong?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you start from the first line, you're supposed to start from the second line.
This is not mathematically explained. What do you think? What did I do something wrong? Almost forgot. Don't forget, okay? Teacher's always right. I start by 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I come up, this is a 60 degrees angle.
No.
This is 60 degrees angle.
So I estimated.
What do you think, Brent?
You were wrong.
Brent?
That's Joshua.
Okay,
Josh?
The 0 degree is not on the baseline.
So I start counting from the inside 0. Yeah? So this is wrong. Everyone is getting me why it's wrong, it's not 60. First, visually, it's not 60 because, you know, this is 90. 60 should be somewhere here, isn't it?
Yes.
This is 90. 60 should be like smaller. But this one is wide angle. So what to call this angle?
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle. So it should, for sure, obviously, and mathematically, is not accurately 60. It should be more, but less than 180. So, what we should do, counting from the inside 0. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 100, 20. So, this one is 120 degrees. And then, I delete this virtual line that I draw to help me extend my trapezium or my small shape to get accurate number. Yes?
You know that in geometry you don't believe what your eyes see just for the geometrical signs?
For this you have all those materials just only like to accurately
Yeah,
measure.
but
But
isn't it supposed to you believe the signs only?
what do you mean signs?
For example, if you could have a really far away angle and have 60 degrees on it, wouldn't it be right?
No. No. You mean like by having two elements, the lines and the angle.
Yeah, like that.
So which one would you believe?
What do you mean?
This is your question. So if we have 20 degrees, I give you a test. Okay, this is 20 degrees angle. Okay, but does it look 20 degrees? So it would be like something wrong.
Me said that you have to look at the signs.
But Miss also said you exercise some common sense. And what Father's getting you to understand, it's kind of like estimation. You're looking at that and you're guesstimating that that's bigger than 90.
Miss, you said guesstimate.
Okay?
Okay.
That's what it's called.
Yes, Miss, you said guesstimate.
That's exactly what it is. It's a guess.
Yes, but you said guess.
That's what it is.
I know that guesstimate.
It's a verb. You're guesstimating. Estimating, guesstimating. You're guessing. Guesstimating. It's a portmanteau word. You're arguing with me. It is a word.
All right. Can I ask David? He's not here. William, come here, please. Come. Everyone, eyes on the board, please. You are the teacher of the class today, William. Explain again with this diamond shape how you need to choose one angle to calculate. Okay. Oh, watch out. Right. That's fine. So you need to demonstrate to your friends how you calculate one of those 4 angles. So what you need to do first. Okay, I can't hear you. I'm close to you, I cannot hear you. So, can you hear at the back, Tommy?
No.
James, can you hear?
Yeah.
Can you hear him? Can you hear William talking? No. Confidence? High voice. To do what? What's your strategy? What you are going to demonstrate to us? Which angle? What do you need to do first? I cannot know what angle we are talking about.
Can I ask those people on the floor to stop fidgeting, please, and your eyes are on the board? Thank you.
Remember, what did I do first? Okay, ask for help from one friend. No, just tell him, guide him.
Near the choose a baseline.
Excuse me, no.
Oh.
Ask anyone.
Oh, I have to put the letters in first?
First, labeling.
Yes.
So, okay, to tell me what angle you need to choose to calculate. You need to label. Start labeling.
Any letter.
Any letters.
But not Z, not to the same.
Whatever. Up to you.
So William's identifying the angles first. Because you have to know what to measure. You've got to actually be able to see the angles.
Keep going. Identify. Next. So what angle? Choose the angle, okay? So what angle do you want to calculate, William, in this case? What angle? So angle, how many identifying labels do you need to have an angle? Is it 2 only? You should have 4? 3. Because the middle one will be the angle, isn't it? Okay, choose for me, which angle do you want to calculate? A. So it will be angle D, AB, or BAD, or angle A, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you are calculating angle A. Example A. Angle A. Yes. Alright. Thank you for those 2 steps. Okay, can I have, thank you, William. Next, we'll be having Rosemary, come up, please.
Nice loud voice, Rosemary, because I can't pick you up on the mic, sweetheart. Nice and loud. Show the boys how it's done.
Yes.
So prove the opposite. Okay. So now we are calculating angle A.
Vertex to vertex.
According to what? Choosing?
Vertex to vertex.
Alright. So then choosing your
Line.
baseline first. Okay. Vertex. Vertex to vertex.
Show us, Rosemary.
Okay. Whereas now this is so AB is your baseline.
Yeah.
Okay. where's the line? Yes, okay. Okay, 5, 0 on baseline. Next,
Now you calculate
okay, start counting.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
80. And you come up to the, okay, next one, okay, 80. So what's this angle
So
value? So it will be calculating, okay. So 6 angle measurement.
Right 80. No. Where's the 80, Rosemary? Angle A.
8. What's this angle name?
Angle
Acute.
Less than 90. Yeah.
What do you think about this angle? Thank you, Rosemary.
The same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Acute. What about this angle?
That was zero. Choose.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, no,
let's see.
same thing.
So,
No, same thing.
Really?
No, why don't we equal?
That one is
who says it's the same thing?
it's not funny.
Who's saying that it's the same thing? Who did say it's the same thing? Come on, encouragement, hands up. Who did say the same thing?
Go on, Tony. You're one of the ones. Yeah.
Okay, come.
Own it.
Come measure.
Prove your point. They prove.
Come on.
Well, okay. Now disprove. Get up to the board.
Isn't it 90 degrees?
No.
So we said this is 80. This is 80 degrees. Find out.
110.
No.
Watch him, what's he doing?
Yeah. It's 100.
Alright, leave it like that.
100.
Turn around and get some feedback. So what angle we are measuring? We are measuring angle B. Ask someone to correct it.
So what I do is you have to put a baseline in there.
So he has a baseline. He's
Yeah, you have to measure. You have to put the top down the baseline. So vertex, and then count up.
okay. He has vertex to vertex. He has baseline.
Yeah, so you have to go counting up.
Voila.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Count for him. He's calculating B.
Right. And then you have to go like that.
Sweetheart, the rule is vertex to vertex. Where's your vertex that you're measuring?
On the A.
Andre, where's the vertex? Andre, where is the vertex that you are measuring? Point to it.
B.
So why did you put your vertex on A?
A.
You was measuring the.
Ah, he was. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
He was not
Eh.
A.
And then you have to cut from 0 to A. Oh, upside down.
What about this way?
Mr. Visual just gives the whole thing.
Vertex to vertex and
And then it's 110. 108.
110. Thank you.
Mr.
So is it the same?
It's just alright, yes.
Yeah. But the top one is an 80. You guys all said that's 80 and that's 80.
Okay?
No, it's not.
Understood what happened? So we move to practice now. I need. Now let's see. Let's see if you get it really right. Okay, can I have Joshua please and Stephanie?
She knows.
How does this stop?